In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Shopify email flow. Start by signing into your Shopify admin dashboard. Next, click Marketing, then select Automations. After that, click Create Automation to start a new email flow. Now choose a pre-built automation template, such as Welcome New Subscriber, Abandon Checkout, Browse Abandonment, or First Purchase Upsell, or start from scratch if you want to build your own workflow. Next, configure the automation trigger by selecting the event that will start the email flow. After that, customize the email by editing the subject line, sender name, content, images, buttons, and any personalization fields. Now add additional steps to your workflow, such as wait times, conditions, or more emails, depending on your marketing strategy. Next, review the timing and flow of your automation to make sure each email is sent at the right moment. After that, use the preview option and send yourself a test email to verify that everything looks correct. Now click Turn On or Activate to enable the automation. Finally, monitor your email flow from the Marketing and Automation sections to track performance, including opens, clicks, and conversions. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a Shopify email flow. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.